Right.
I think it was useful because we first of all practiced doing some reading and listening exercises, and by doing them ourselves we processed it mentally, and we can share these techniques that we used with our students and give them advice on how we did the questions. They should find it useful to do it in the same way. Secondly, it was useful because we were given some useful classroom activities, and now we have the materials and we can use those with our students, so that should benefit again our students.
Right.
Overall,
Thank you very much.
the workshop was extremely helpful because for me, I understand the expectations that examiners have when they're looking at students' work. And it clarified a lot of those expectations. On the grading matrix, it's very general overview. But when I ask specific questions, it's okay, we're looking for this and we're looking for that. That was very helpful to understand what IELTS is expecting. The person giving the seminar also talked about how to reach those expectations in the class. So if you're doing reading, this is what they're looking for, little hints on that. So yeah, it was very helpful. On the other side, IELTS is the skills covered in IELTS are quite large. You're looking at 4 modules, and within each module there's a very large amount of skills. Even if I just look at writing task 2, there's 4 things that they grade writing task 2 on. In my opinion, doing all 4 modules, all the expectations, everything in one day is a little too much. Because we never really had time to go in depth on any one of those modules. And towards the end of the day, when we got to the really important stuff, the writing and speaking, we're all kind of tired because you're throwing so much information at us. So it would be even more helpful if you said, okay, Wednesday morning we're going to do writing, have lunch, follow up, go home. That would be enough.
Okay.
Rather than having boom, 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 boom. It felt a little rushed. It's a lot of skills to cover, a lot of expectations to cover, and that's that.
All right. Thank you very much. Yeah.